Wait! May paparating ka bang trip? Tamang-tama kasi Klook is offering up to 15% off on hotels and 10% off naman on other activities. Mas malaking discount yan kumpara sa usual promo code so i-avail mo na. Just use the code PTKLOOK15 off hotels for 15% off sa hotels. And PT Klook 10 off mid-year naman for 10% off sa tickets, passes, activities, tours, and even hotels din. Or kung ayaw nyo mag-memorize ng codes, punta kayo dito sa bit.ly/Klook15off. And sa page na yan, just tap yung mga redeem buttons and they will be automatically applied sa account ninyo. Pwede nyo yung gamitin sa both domestic and international destinations like Hong Kong, Japan, Thailand, Singapore, and iba pa. Site-wide naman yan. Valid lang yung mga promo codes na yan this weekend, July 19 to 21. Yung travel dates, hindi naman kailangan this weekend, pero dapat makabook kayo from July 19 to 21. We'll be coming up with more discount codes